Hi everyone, and welcome to an exciting new feature of Advanced Installer, Software Bill of Materials Support, SBOMs. Today I will show you how to easily generate SBOMs for your installation packages, improving security, compliance, and transparency across your software supply chain. An SBOM is essentially an ingredient list of the components that make up your software, allowing your customers to better understand and manage their software supply chain. SBOM helps you track dependencies, detect vulnerabilities, and ensure compliance with evolving security regulations. However, tracking third-party components and keeping up with evolving security standards require constant effort. In Advanced Installer's SBOM feature streamlines the process by leveraging Microsoft SBOM tool to generate a detailed inventory of software components, ensuring accuracy and compliance with industry standards. Now, let's walk you through how to generate an SBOM in Advanced Installer. Open the project you want to generate an SBOM for. Go to the Details page, click on the SBOM tab to access SBOM settings. Check the box for Generate SBOM to enable this feature. For the SBOM project path, this is a folder containing the source code and components used in your package, so the tool will scan this location for the various components and packages that are used in the build process. In this demo, we'll include the source code for Hello World application, which is part of the project package. If you're using external SBOM files from libraries that already have SBOMs, you can optionally add them as references in the SBOM configuration. So click Add and select the existing SBOM files to include them. Press Build to generate your installation package, and Advanced Installer will use Microsoft SBOM tool to automatically generate the SBOM during the build process. You can navigate to the output location to find the SBOM file and review its content. So with SBOM Generation now fully integrated into Advanced Installer, managing your software components and ensuring compliance has never been easier. We hope you enjoy using the SBOM feature in Advanced Installer, and if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us through our support channel. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates from Advanced Installer.